This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Tripp. Stunning executive pool home with exceptional attention to detail and designer finishes. Unique open floor plan offers amazing living areas, gourmet kitchen, 4 bedrooms, 3 well-appointed bathrooms, heated saltwater pool/spa, and 3 car-attached garages. From the decorative tray ceilings to the beautiful wood-look plank tile floor, you will find customized touches throughout this beautiful home. A spacious island kitchen comes complete with sleek granite counters, custom cabinetry, oversized gas range, prep sink, walk-in pantry, wine cooler and more. Triple sliding doors expand the living area, flooding it with natural light and blending it with exterior indulgence. Custom saltwater pool/spa, summer kitchen, expansive lanai, and paver decking all under a screen enclosure. Comfortable primary ensuite boasts custom dual walk-in closets, freestanding soaking tub, and an oversized walk-in shower. Garages are outfitted with storage racks and the pool bath opens to private outdoor shower. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Tripp at 321-308-0361.